Hi, I'm the student Bruno Lopez Mafra, and today I'm here to present my assignment 1 for COMP3122, which is regarding machine learning. First of all, I just imported the NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib libraries here, so we're gonna use them. Here on question 1, I created a data frame variable that can read this .csv file, and also a variable to get the ages column from this .csv. In machine learn, it's an important step because we always have to import the data into a numeric format so it can be processed. Here on question 2, I could make some for loops to get the minimum and maximum, also the average by summing all the ages and dividing by the number of ages. I also made a function to sort the ages so I could get the median and also the standard deviation of this. I made these basic statistic measures so I could understand the data before training any model. So that's why it's important in machine learning. Here on question 3, I could use NumPy vectorized functions to discover the same thing but in a much faster and convenient way. Here on question 4, I plotted an histogram of ages. I did vertical lines here to show the mean, the median, and the 30th and 7th percentiles, and how many values will fall below each percentile. So you can see the histogram over here. This visualization using Matplotlib is important to understand the distribution of data. So with this, we can detect patterns and also outliers. Here on question 5, I used the NumPy broadcasting to convert the height and the weight from inches to meters and from pounds to kilograms. So I calculated the body mass here with the vectorized formula. Also normalize the ages with the z-score, and this is the output. These transformations are important because in machine learning we often need to standardize variables and make them comparable. Here in question 6, I could create boolean masks for filtering specific groups, so ages greater or equal 18 for adults, also female, like the sex with F string for females, and also the BMI over 25 for the overweight individuals. Then I calculated counts, averages, and medians, so it shows how to select subsets. With this, I could see the select subsets for the dataset. That's a fundamental step and exploratory analysis and pre-processing for the machine learning. Here in question 7, I finally made a simple linear regression. So I used this train test split to divide the data and training like 80% for training and 20% for testing. So I fitted a linear regression here. So I could use the age as the predictor and the weight as the target. So here I calculated the evaluation metrics. Also, I have plotted a data with a regression line, as you can see here. So this step gives descriptive statistics with machine learning, as it's showing how we can train and evaluate a predictive model. To summarize, we could see that question 1 to 7 demonstrate each step of the machine learning workflow. First, importing data, so computing the statistics, then visualization, everything, and transforming variables, filtering, and finally, I could train a simple model. So together, all these concepts form the foundation for solving more complex problems moving forward.